Firstly, I am G. Stravistry, studying in 10th standard, belonging to Foundation section. I would like to thank the founder of Sri Shirdi Sai Group of Institutions, Mr. Tambaputula Paleshwarrao sir, for giving me this great opportunity and to situate a school in nearby villages in Kadiyam Mandalam and in East Godavari district. So I would really thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity and to situate a school in nearby places of Kadiyam Mandalam. And now I'm here to tell a few points or words that what the things I like in my school. Telling the most or favorite things in my school is really difficult because I like everything in my school. Those are uncountable things that I like in my school. In this video, let me tell a few words or few things that I like in my school. First thing, the teachers. The teachers are is a system where they cares for the children because they cares a lot for the children. I have observed them because I'm studying since nursery to 10th standard. I'm studying 10th standard, so that I have seen a 13 years of experience in CC Desai group. I really seen them. They are really care for the students and they love them a lot, and they care the each and every students and take responsibilities, and they take responsibility to the students. So teachers is the most thing that I have seen or important factor in a school. In a school is a four wall building where the future or the tomorrow is inside. In the same, this our teacher also tells these all words to inspire us. And the second thing is the transport system. Transport system is somewhat really difficult, but my school handles them. It is very easily coming to the nearby places or the where the people students lives. They really should thank them the transport management also. Every students from their home, they are getting into the bus and stepping out from the bus again in the school only. That much situation is going, or that much management is going middle of the transport system. So I thank the transport system also. Then the second major factor is the transport system. Third things, the members of Sri Shirdi Sai family are really loved and cared. And my friends or my colleagues are also being a part on this. And the third factor is this thing I like them in my school. And the fourth thing, be giving a separate classrooms or giving a sections for them is really good thing in my school, because separating them for a better study or better giving and better education to them, it is somewhat easy to give more study or to focus on a particular student. So this is also most important thing also. And Mr. Sridhar sir, he is the director of my school. And principal Sri Vidya ma'am, she is the principal of my school. They both handle them it as very easily or nothing but transport or the working of the school. They take the system with on the teachers, on the management, on the student. That too student means in every student they take care. So I really thank them also, ma'am and sir. It is the video is not telling thanks to them. I'm telling the things that I like in my school. I already told you there are many things to tell you in my school. These are a few of them. And see, well, like supplying the water, supplying mineral water to the students is really thing which is going to be very valuable to the because water is too precious. The same way, our teachers teached me water is very precious, and many they told me many quotations or what the things like they told me to save environment, so that I have did a video and before also on saving an environment. In this video I would like to save water, so let me do that. Thank you. Here are the water in my hands. With here the future is in my hands. That means without the water, nothing will be served. At least someone, or because of this water, someone may die, someone may breathe, or someone may die also. So because of this water only, many wars are happened. So And I am really glad to born in the East Godavari district, because the water is really valuable here. The water will be seen in everywhere, and greenery also seen everywhere in East Godavari district. So I am really glad to born here. So I am thank to God also to make to born here. So thank you. And water is very precious. So save water and save life.